And so as far I'm down in I'm out in Orlando, Florida. I come across some pretty good deals a lot. I do my, you know, I mean, I just want to know what your criteria is for.
Okay.
Um,
I just sent you three write-ups. Two of them are live wires.
okay.
Typically what I look for, I need to put out at least $3 or $4 million.
Uh huh.
I've got three different kinds of capital. My hard money lending is 3 to 12 million for the most part. I can go to 20 if I'm so inclined.
3 to 12
I
million.
might get up to 2 10s or a 12 and an 8 or something like that.
Uh huh. Now, do you have a particular preference as far as residential versus the commercial, or just anything that makes sense?
We'll build either. I mean, I'm giving a guy right now one of those transactions I think I sent you is I'm giving capital to a guy to build 44 homes next to the University of Kentucky.
Oh wow. Wow.
So,
Okay.
yeah, anything that, listen, I will put money up and make it look like equity and not charge the guy 50% of his deal, 25, something like that.
Uh huh.
I'm not a taker.
Okay. Well, as you know, I mean, there's a lot of things going on down here in Florida, and there's also, you know, I've been doing this for about 15 years now myself, and just still look. I stopped, got out of the game for a little while, but now I'm back and ready to just get back in and link up with gentlemen just like yourself who, you know, you tell me what it is that you're looking for. I bring you exactly what it is that you're telling me, and everybody makes money on this thing.
I'm all yours. All
Okay.
we need to do is just make sense out of things. I want to know how much. I want to know if you look at the write-ups I sent you.
Uh huh.
Every one of them has a sentence. Every one has a section called compelling factors.
Uh huh. Compelling factors.
Open up one of them. Let's just open up either one, on any of them. Just open one up.
Okay, hold on one second. Let me just go to it. Jones. Done that. What mail here? Okay. All right, summaries here. And anyone in particular, Con, or just
Go with the first one, the oil wells.
okay? Oklahoma oil and gas disposal wells.
Yeah.
Okay.
This came from a lawyer that did some opinions for us. He knew he had some capital, and he wanted to buy two disposal wells from his neighbor and bring two onto a pipeline somewhere in Oklahoma.
Uh huh.
And he took 300 grand his own money, but he needed 100% financing going forward.
Mm-hmm.
So I said, send me a write-up and tell me why would I do this, and let's look at this and tell me why, if or not, we should do this. So, how much is he looking for?
Let's see here. Purchase and completion price $6 million, which includes completion of third and fourth disposal well. Current monthly revenues 255. 2012 net revenues were blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay.
Hang on a second, stay right there.
Okay. So guys, right now I'm on the phone with an investor who says that he'll loan up to $20 million of his own money. This is how you make big money in this game. Not by doing the stuff that the flip this house guys tell you, or the guys coming in for the weekend in your home. Real investor right here. I'm gonna show you how to make real money. So this is somebody that I would use for a private lender. And like I said, he has 3 to 12 million to put out there. These guys are looking for good returns back on their money. And he'll go up to 20 million if it's a great job. So right now, once I establish rapport with him, I know that anywhere I go, I could get up to $20 million. He'll give me what's called a commitment letter that I can show to anybody to buy anything cash. So I'm a great negotiator, so I definitely will know how to get the best deal when you have backing like that. Like this is one phone call, guys, $20 million possibly. And he's into anything from diamonds to oil wells. I mean, I'm looking at his summaries right here. And that's what you need to do. You need to know who the major players are out there. And Jones Capital Group knows who they are, and I help you get into that. So a lot of times you guys thinking that you have to have the money, it's not you. It's actually you being able to connect with the people that do have it. And this gentleman is out of Denver, Colorado. So I surf all over for people that I've developed relationships with, and it just becomes, common talk, common practice to know who's funding what developers. I mean, now I can go to anybody. You know, he says, bring me anything you got. It makes sense. He's letting me know what he wants. As long as you bring these guys what they want, you're going to get paid. I'm not talking about, you know, $100 for some network marketing product, but I mean, you know, being able to say, you know what, I just did this deal and I cleared $1 million. I cleared 200,000. I cleared $500,000. You know, it takes the same amount of energy to do the big deals as it does the little deals. So that's what I'm in it for. How about you? Once again, Cecil Jones is a real estate investor. Be careful who you listen to, all right? Guys like this, you can't waste their time. They know what they're looking for. You have to be quick with it. You have to be savvy. Once again, I'm just letting you guys in on my calls, on my world, on when I go out for rehab projects, when I'm looking for projects, when I'm marketing, when I'm closing deals, I bring you to the closing table. Whatever piece of this you need, you want to get into this. Like, I mean, I don't want to sound braggadocious, but I know what I'm doing in this business.
Cecil,
Yeah.
listen, I'm going to have to get back to you. I hate to perma hold, but you've got my email address. Why don't you paraphrase some of your summaries and then email, like the transaction summary like I sent you,
Yes, sir.
and get that over to me, and then put all your contact information in, and I'll call you back.
Okay, will do. Thanks a lot for your time, Con.
You, my friend.
Yep, bye-bye. So he sent me over some summaries of some deals that he has in the line of fire right now. And I mean, he's about to loan some guy $6 million here for saltwater disposal wells. Let's see what else he has here. See, guys, most guys don't know anything about this. You go to these seminars and listen to that crap that they're telling you, and that never does you any well. This is another one he has here for Dallas Minerals Consolidation. If you really want to learn this, I mean, I consult with people that have members that come in with me. We do deals all over the place. I'm looking for apartment buildings now. You know, I want to have 500 units. I want to have actually 1,000 units. So this right here, another summary, which he sent me these summaries of other people that he's doing. He wants you to write up why he should loan you some of his $20 million. So I will take the time to do that. And this one right here says terms 12-month interest, only non-recourse note, 12% accrued interest, 12% exit fee. In addition, broker fee 4 points to Craig and Tam. A 6-month extension for 2 points will be available. No payments from the borrower. He's requesting $6.25 million. Cash invested by the borrower, $4.9 million held in escrow at Bank of America to be released 60 days upon settlement of existing debt. Current value, $19 million project here that was appraised January 3rd, 2015. Guys, so this may sound like, wow, I could never do this. Well, I can tell you that everybody has their first day on the job, and I never even thought that I would be here on this side when I first got into the game. So I'm from the streets, just like a lot of people who watch this. They're from the streets. There's nothing that can replace persistence, tenacity, commitment. You get on a team with somebody like me, you pay for my time, and you see what I give you access to. You know, so if you're thinking about this, I'm a consultant. I'll help you put up a business in your city, your state, make you become the best guy out there, give you access to all the money that's out there. There's billions of dollars out there in private money. Now, private money lender, right? He's not going to ask me my credit. He's not going to ask me my bank statements, my FICO score, or anything like that. We're just going to, it's all about the deal. So hopefully you guys see that this is real. I'm real. And if you're real, come on, let's join me. Let's talk. All right. If you're seeing this on Facebook, inbox me. If you're seeing it on YouTube, contact me. Let's get started. I'm looking to network with people and make money. Let's get on Forbes magazine together.